Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your POCO F5 Pro. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer and then move to the contacts in the right bottom corner. Right now you have to pick one of the contacts, for example this one, and then click on the three dots in the right upper corner. Click to set ringtone. Right now we can pick, for example, our sounds, and when we pick the sounds we are able to select the default sounds. For example, we can switch from the default ringtone to the country, then click OK to confirm. And also we are able to add the custom ringtone, so tap right here one more time, click set ringtone, and you can pick, for example, the file manager, and here you will find all custom sounds that you have on your device. But you can also do this by tapping right here, select add ringtone, and here you will also able to pick your custom file, song, or favorite sound from the movie. So you know what I mean. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.